the counting of votes for both the assembly constituencies which went for by-election was taken up, and the counting in both the constituencies started at 8 a.m. in the morning. Initially, the postal ballots, to start with, the ETPBS postal ballots were counted, followed by other postal ballots, and then from 8:30 a.m. The counting of votes in the EVM commenced, and in Kojma there was one hall for counting. There were 6 tables placed in that counting hall, and there were 4 rounds for counting the EVM, since it has 22 polling stations. And in Kifri there were 2 counting halls. In the first hall there were 7 tables, and in the second hall there were 4 tables, and there were 77 polling stations. So in all, 11 rounds of counting took place there. So eventually the counting got over sometime around 3:30 p.m. and thereafter the mandatory verification of voter slip in 5 VVPATs were also taken up in both assembly constituencies, and after completing the mandatory verification of voter slip in these in the VVPAT, the final results were declared, and in both the constituencies the certificates also have been handed over to the candidates. Now, after finishing the counting and everything, the final tally is something like this. In Assembly Constituency 14, Southern Angami 1 Assembly Constituency, there were 3 candidates, and the candidate who got the maximum number of votes and who won is Shri Medhu Yukha from NDPP party. He got 4,773 votes, and the candidate who came second, Shri Ville Peter Jasumo, an independent candidate, he got 4,175, and Shri Kikobi Kirha from NPA party, he came third. He got 2,575 votes. There were 5 candidates, and the person who got the maximum number of votes and was declared the winner is Shri T. Yangshio Sangtham, an independent candidate. He got 8,747 votes, followed by Shri S. Kisunu Yamchungar, independent candidate, 7,220 votes. Then followed by Shri Lirimong Sangtham from BJP party, he got 5,664 votes. And then Shri K. Selumtang Yamchungar, independent candidate, he got 5,388. And Shri Kasio Anar INC, he got 347 votes. All the details will be circulating along with the number of valid votes, postal ballots, everything will be circulating, I think. Postal ballots also, it is mentioned here. Like if you see 14 Southern Angami, the total number of postal ballots were 169. Is there in that second column, but out of that 38 got rejected because of reasons, and 131 is the valid postal ballot, and similarly in 60 Pangru the total number of postal ballots was 458. So this includes the postal ballot, both the ETPBS, then the absentee voter postal ballots, which you all know, for PWD, 80+, and COVID-19 patients, and then the ordinary postal ballots in addition to these 2, which is by government servants on duty who can't vote on that day, and then even the drivers and others whose vehicles are requisitioned and who belong to that constituency and who can't vote because of they being on duty. Control unit which did not display the result. So for that, the VVPAT of that corresponding polling station was counted. So that is also counted as one round. And after that, of course, 5 VVPAT that you have to, that is randomly taken out and counted. That was in addition to that. So that was the 5th round.